Yeah, it's Saturday night in China, in communist China. You can see I've got my hat on, and a bunch of films you're going to see is my response to people on Facebook who continually talk about communist China, and they know nothing about it. I agree with Guelo60 and his rants about the misinformation about communist China. So it's Saturday night in August. We've just been to the shops. Watch this. See what you think of communist China. Yeah, and by the way, apologize for the portrait style and not the landscape, because these films were when I did Facebook Live, so that's why they're portrait and not landscape. And yeah, I know some people don't like those, but yeah, that's what they are, so enjoy. Yeah, welcome to a market. Capitalism, full blown. I've lost my wife. That's a new mall over there being built. This is a big mall here. We've just been to Decathlon, Uniqlo. Yeah, here we are. Communist China. Who would believe it, huh? You can even buy kittens.
Very hot.
In communist China. Yeah, it's very hot. Oh, look, that's a mall. That's how many floors. Well, actually, that's how many floors the mall has got. But I'll show you when we go back inside. Oh my God. Communist China. I can't bear it, fatty fish. Oh no, not music as well. Here in communist China, we're so oppressed. This is what communist oppression looks like. What are you doing, cats? Hmm? Yeah, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? I can see you. You love each other. Oh, hello. Hello, cats. Hello, cats. Yeah, here we are in the shopping mall in communist China. So yeah, this is horrible communist China where, you know, everything is terrible. And this is the shopping mall we're in. It's very busy. All these communists are spending their money on all these goods that you can see. Uniqlo down there, Me, which is electronic goods, Champion, Muji is just down there, Innisfree, pure cotton. Yeah, this is communist China. Look, they're all spending all these gadgets. Terrible, isn't it? It's such an atrocious government that allows people to do this, that allows people to go out and spend money on these consumer goods. I can't believe it, you know. I can't believe that all these people are happy and there's pretty girls everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, and you know, people get on the internet and they'll start bad-mouthing communist China. And here we are, here's the Apple store and the cosmetic shop and floors and floors and floors and floors of consumerism and capitalism. Yeah, it's so terrible. So terrible, isn't it? We're going to go down the escalator now. Basement is usually where the food stalls are. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Whoop. Come on. Come on. A nice shady little crèche for the little babies. Grandma's looking after them. Building site still active. They were working on the building site until I was walking the dog at about quarter to 11 last night, and my wife said maybe they do a night shift because it's much cooler. But the sun is bright today. Let's get in back to the AC. Woo. You know, after watching those films, I just hope that people realize that, yeah, China is not the threat you think it is. China is not the place you think it is. Every country has its problems. Yeah, you can shout about me using Facebook. Oh, and it's illegal. I'm using Facebook. I'm using YouTube. I'm using Twitter. Nobody's going to come and arrest me. You shout about me not standing up and denouncing the Chinese government. That's not my job. I'm a guest in this country. It's not my job to denounce the Chinese government. I denounce my own government. Look to yourselves, Britain and America. Look what the fuck up you're making there before you start shouting about China. The next thing goes, oh yeah, the Uyghurs, the Muslims in Xinjiang. Look to your own governments. Look to the governments that put people in Guantanamo Bay who were innocent for years and years and years. Look at the whistleblowers like Edward Snowden and how they were treated. And that other git, whatever his name is, I can't remember. Look to your own government. The ones that are bombing the shit out of Afghanistan and Syria and the Middle East, killing innocent people, women and children. Look to what the fucking Israelis do. I don't hear any of you shouting about what Israel is doing in Palestine. Why don't you start there, for fuck's sake? Or come to China and find out for yourself, rather than just being keyboard warriors. Yeah, but too easy, isn't it? Too easy to jump on a plane and come and see for yourself what life's like here. Life is good here. And I'm no shrill for the Communist Party, but that's their business, not my business. Have a good one. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and bell my videos. Bye bye. From Communist China.